Hi guys, welcome to a new video. And we're outside. And we're outside because I decided to go bird watching. I got the binoculars right here. You can see them strapped to my neck. And yeah, let's go into this. Yeah. Okay. Okay, no birds over here. No birds over there. Now, I want to try to find a fantail. Well, I want to try to find two fantails. What was that? Oh, I thought I saw a fantail. Actually, there are quite a bit of birds up there, including there was some tuies last year, so we might be seeing some of those. Behind that green tree right there, behind that little green tree right there, there's a cabbage tree right there, next door, and yeah, so let's check that out. Guys, do you hear that? I think I hear a tuie. Literally. I've just been staring at this tree for a little bit, and I've already heard a tuie. I still haven't seen any fantails yet. The reason why I wanted to look at fantails because they're so cute, they're so small and stuff. Guys, I see a tuie right in there. Do you guys see it? Squeaky, no eating toys. Squeaky, why are you playing with a stick? No, you cute little boy. Oh, it's just a blackbird. I don't think I got that, but I just saw a blackbird. But I can't see the tuie anymore. Dang it. You probably can't see past those trees right there because yeah, I can though, but the sun's so bright, so it doesn't really. So it looks like that cabbage tree is part of backyard trees. Maybe this will work. I am on the trampoline right now. Oh! I saw one! I saw one, guys! Flew over to on a house somewhere. No, it didn't. Oh, dang it. Oh, but that was cool. I don't think you guys saw that. Yeah, that sucks. Getting out my binoculars. Come on, we can find them. Oh, they're a little bit twisted. Yeah. Okay. Can you see anything, guys? Okay. Let's just... trying to sort out my binoculars. see anything. I can't. The binoculars are messed up. Maybe this is better. Yeah, that's better. Nope. Find too many toys. No, not over here. We could hear them all. Can you see them on like that tree over there? There's some birds on that tree. Let's try to go look at that. Can you see them? They're like little black dots on that tree, literally. That like tree with no leaves over that house. Yeah, there's a little bit of birds on it. I think that's better. Can you see them? They're like little tiny spots on that tree right there. They're really small. Do you see them now? I can. What is that? I mean, that right there. What is that? No. Guys, look at that. Oh, that's so sad. Well, at least we found a bird today. Oh, but that's just lethal. Poor bird. Oh, I thought they were like flippers or something. Oh, that's sad, man. Just look at that poor little bird. That is sad. At least we got one up close for the camera. Mission accomplished.